Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Eunice. If you're new here, today I want to share with you how I reorganized my desk for the new year and also do a quick little desk tour. So this is my desk. I'm sitting in front of it and this is in our home office room. I have a matching desk with my fiance, and if you want to see the rest of this room, then make sure you go check out the home office room makeover video that's up on my channel. But yeah, this is the desk and it was getting out of hand, especially over the holiday season. I was so busy and I just let things pile onto my desk, and now that it's organized, I want to make it a goal this year to keep it as clutter-free as possible because I spend the majority of my time at my desk and I want it to help me feel calm and focused. So before reorganizing, I just went ahead and got everything off the desk, and then I wiped it down using my go-to Mrs. Meyer's cleaning spray. I also wiped down the lamp because it was collecting some dust. And then I just started slowly bringing stuff back onto the desk. I started with this laptop stand. So I ended up replacing my older stand with this one from Enkel. Thank you, Enkel, for letting me try out this laptop stand. So far, I'm really liking this minimalistic design. Their stand is made of birchwood and it's got this like very natural light wood color. And I also really like how the stands have this slotted holes so that your laptop can have some ventilation, especially when it's heating up. And what I also really like about this stand is that it's a lot more angled than my previous one. My previous one was a little taller and flatter. And although I use a Bluetooth keyboard, I like to have easy access to my actual laptop because sometimes I use the touch bar for like emoji. So I really like that this angled design really allows me to access that touch bar more easily. They've also got a matching monitor stand, and if you want to go check out their online store, then I will link it below, and I've also got a 10% promo code for you guys. And on the left side of my laptop, I have this little cord organizer that's stuck onto the desk. It comes with like a adhesive and you can just stick it onto any surface. But I really like having this here because when I'm not charging my laptop, I can just remove it and have it accessible. And further on the left, I've also got this coaster. It's a heart-shaped coaster, and I like to have my morning coffee on here as well as my afternoon tea. And then I've also got this tiny little plant. This was actually on our living room windowsill and it wasn't getting the love it needed, so I decided to put it here where it's a lot more visible and I will take better care of it. I've also got this mouse pad, which I did show in my home office room makeover, but I really like this mouse pad. It's those wide ones, so it helps protect my desk from any spillages and I just don't feel as anxious having like food on the table. And I also like how my mouse can just kind of roam all over the place and isn't limited by a smaller mouse pad. And I went with this like darkish gray color because it blends in really nicely with the desk. Moving to the right side of the desk, we've got these acrylic organizers. These were sent to me by Minima Basics. Thank you, Minima Basics. I'm really excited to try these out, and so far I really like how practical they are and how they're still very aesthetic. I love that I can see through them so I know what I have by my desk at all times. So these are two organizers. The top one is a pen and sticky note or memo pad holder, and then the one below it is like a little drawer box. So I went with these because I felt like these were what I needed to hold in all of the essentials that I want by my desk, but Minima Basics also offers other accessories. They have like a file holder, they have this like vertical pen holder if you are a bullet journaler. I think that's perfect for you. And they've also got other accessories in a marble design, which I think is really pretty. But yeah, these are the ones that I got, and if you're interested in these organizers, I'll add a link to the Minima Basics website below, and you can get 15% off with my promo code. In the bottom drawer, I like to keep a memo pad, and then I also put in this like little wallet thing that holds like cards that I don't really take out with me on the daily, but I do like to have it by my side. And then in the top drawer, I've got some AirPods, my earphones, my camera battery, my SSD, which I need for editing. And then in my pen holder, I've got some pens, I've got my chapstick, I've got sticky notes, and these little like cards if I ever need to write like a thank you card, or if I'm selling anything and I want to leave a little memo. Behind the organizers, I've got this quote that I added in when I did my home office room makeover. It's a quote that I really like by Ralph Waldo Emerson. This quote reminds me to make the most of my day and focus on the things that I can do and not be so anxious or worried about the outcome, and also reminds me to stay present and focus on what's in front of me. And then next to it, I've just got this little photo of me and my fiance. And that is pretty much it for my desk. I kept it pretty minimal, and it's only been a day since I reorganized, and I'm already feeling a lot less distracted and more motivated. Let me know in the comments below if you'll be reorganizing or if you did reorganize your desk for the new year and what your desk essentials are. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe to this channel to see more videos from me. I have more organization and home makeover videos coming up. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well to keep up with my project updates. I love to connect with you guys over there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.